Okay, Vladimir. This one's real easy. How you tell. Right here, the error key, the correct is black, insertion is error. The blue is insertion error, means you put something in there. Green means you omitted. Misstroke is the red. On just about everything, I'll accept 2 errors, except for the progress proofreading check. Just make sure you double check the guidelines. Okay, so I go in here, and look, all this is good. What you forgot right here is the capital D for doctor. Then everything else that's scrolling down, look good. You're not going to believe this. See this little red dot right there? That means you put in a space. You do the comma, no space, and then the enter. I personally would just leave off these extra enters. Okay? I know. Oh, I didn't see this down here. All right, so, okay, that little red dot. This program has always done that. It's kind of crazy, but you're good. You can leave it with the 2 errors if you want, if this isn't a progress proofreading. Hey, all right, good luck.